I'm Adam Gordon. I'm CEO and co-founder at Candidate ID, Talent Pipeline Software.
Fantastic. Can you explain to the audience what Talent Pipeline Software is, Adam?
Yeah, so it helps organizations create talent pipelines. My view is that a talent pipeline only exists when you understand which people are cold, warm, and hire ready. If you don't know that, you've got a talent pool or a database, a list of names, that's all you've got. If you want a talent pipeline, you need to understand where people are in the funnel and who is hot today in real time.
So it's basically looking at the mindset of the data of the people in your system and then figuring out who is the right people to kind of move into a hiring kind of conversation. How does Candidate ID do that?
So we are a marketing automation product. We allow organizations to distribute content to all the people on their database, and we track and score all of their interactions with email, social media, text message, landing pages, career site. We track what they're doing, and we apply a balanced scorecard to their interactions so that a recruiter is able to filter all of their candidates according to that engagement score, and they know who to spend their valuable human time actually picking up the phone to.
Okay, so let's do it in a real world example. I've got a database of 1,000 people. I want to distribute some content to them. What happens then?
You import them into Candidate ID. You would send out content for anybody that isn't opening emails. Candidate ID is intuitive, and it will automatically send them the same email 3 days later with a different subject heading. For anybody that doesn't open it the second time, it will automatically send them a text message with the same information with a link. Here's the information to click through. For anybody that doesn't open that, it'll send it to them in WhatsApp. So it's very much automated distribution of content. A recruiter will log into Candidate ID, they'll filter the 1,000 candidates according to the engagement score. And our customers are telling us that they're able to reduce time to shortlist by 60%, 60%, because they're able to understand who to actually pick up the phone to. The other thing that Candidate ID does for a recruiter, which is really intuitive, is if somebody does a particular action, like looks at a job description, for example, it will automatically inform the recruiter. It'll send them an email or a text message so that the recruiter knows, Hung has just looked at this job description, pick up the phone to Hung like right now. So it prompts them with hire ready leads in real time.